हेलो गाइस। आपका स्वागत है आपका प्यारा सा चैनल नौकरी अलर्ट पर। जैसे कि आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे वीकली करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जून। इसमें आपका सारा वन लाइनर होगा, जिसमें आपका सारा इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स मेंशन किया गया होगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। नंबर वन, वन नेशन वन कार्ड स्कीम, 3 more states included to help migrant on June 2, 2020. The schemes will benefit to those ration card holders who work in other states. Ration card holder will be able to buy grains at lower price from the government ration shop in any part of country. Number 2. On June 2, 2020, the Election Commission took this decision in view of the situation caused by corona. Such suggestions were also made by the commissioner on behalf of various political parties. Number 3. Researchers found that Proxima b, a planet like Earth, is 1.17 times the mass of Earth, which is smaller than 1.3 times predicted. This planet completes one orbit of its star in just 11.2 days. Bharatiya Janata Party has entrusted the responsibility of Chhattisgarh to Vishnudev Sai. S. Tidendra Singh has been made the state president of Manipur. Manoj Tiwari was appointed the Delhi BJP president in the year 2016. Number 5. Under the Pradhan Mantri Swanidhi Yojana, the central government will provide a special credit facility to of rupees 5,000 crore for street vendor. Number 6. The benefit of PM Swadhini Yojana will be available to those who will live in livelihood by setting up street vendor and small shop. Under this scheme, the government will help these people to start their own business. Number 7. Sport Minister Kiran Rijiju said that community coach and physical education teachers can play an important role in reaching out to students local in every corner of India and motivating them to adopt sport and fitness in daily life. Number 8. The NDRF has also tightened up in view of the storm in Maharashtra and Gujarat. Together, 33 NDRF teams have been deployed in both the states. In Maharashtra alone, 20 teams of have been deployed to deal with the storm. Number 9. Between 1 June to 30 July 2020, 1.5 million dairy farmers belonging to Milk Union and milk producing company will be provided Kisan credit card within the next 2 months. Number 10. Moody's recently reduced the Government of India rating for long-term issues security denominated in foreign currency and local currency from Batch 2 to Bar 3. Bar 3 has the lowest investing grade rating. Number 11. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Donald Trump discussed important issues such as the status of COVID-19 in both countries, the ongoing border disputes between India and China, and the need to improve the World Health Organization. Number 12. The central law will be formulated to provide adequate option to provide good price to the farmer produce. With this, a farmer will be develop a barrier-free interstate trade and e-trading of agriculture produce. Number 13. Basu Chatterjee is known for his distinct identity films. The news of Basu Chatterjee dismiss has run like a wave on social media. Basu Chatterjee died on 4 June 2020. Number 14. Prime Minister Modi emphasized on strengthening the Indian-Australia relationship and said that everyone needs to come together to move the world from corona epidemic. Number 15. Prime Minister Modi said that Mukherjee belonged to Bengal and was one of the pioneers of industrialization. In such a situation, it is important step to name the port after Mukherjee. Number 16. Every year on the occasion of all World Environment Day, a topic is selected according to which programs are organized in all countries. It is celebrated on 5 June. Number 17. India gave US $15 million to International Vaccine Alliance. This summit held through online. Business leaders from more than 50 countries, UK agency, civil society, minister of government participate. The summit, which took place amidst the world corona epidemic, was hosted by British Prime Minister Boris Johnson. Number 18. India will become non-permanent member of UNSC once again. On June 5, 2020, India is the only candidate for non-permanent seat from the Asia Pacific category for the term of 2021 to 22. Energy Minister launched real-time market for electricity department. On June 5, 2020, real-time market will enable consumer, captive user and distributor company to buy power on exchange exactly 1 hour before delivery service. Number 20. Central government launched consultation process for new science, technology and innovation policy. On June 5, 2020, this process will run for 6 months under which all stakeholders will within and outside the scientific ecosystem will be consulted. 2021 World Economic Forum to host Twin Summit in January 2021. On June 5, the World Economic Forum will host a unique Twin Summit in January 2021 with the theme The Great Reset. 22. The rupees 500 crore to promote digital payment. On June 6, 2020, Central Bank will contribute an initial rupees 250 crore to this fund. Balance amount will be refunded by the card using bank and card network. 23. Central government launched national awareness campaign to prevent death of human and animal. On June 6, 2020, Union Road Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari inaugurated UNDP United Nations Development Programme and MOTS National Awareness Campaign on prevention of human and animal mortality on highway through video conferencing. Said that our country three countries of ethics, economics and ecology. 24. Australia strongly support Indian membership in the nuclear supply group. The statement said that the two sides reiterated their commitment to continue bilateral civil nuclear cooperation and further strengthened global nuclear non-proliferation. Number 25. Russia President Putin ordered the authorities to stop the damage for the drift to the minimum scale. According to Alexei Ninjukov, Government of the World Wild Fund, Russia, fish and other sources will be damaged. Thank you for watching videos on नौकरी अलर्ट। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हो तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि आगे हम लोग इसी तरह के वीडियोस आपको प्रोवाइड करते रहे वीकली करंट अफेयर्स हर मंथ के। थैंक यू।